Autocad Lesson 2 Basic Command. First, draw a line. Enter command L and 300. The 300 line is done. Then draw a circle. Enter C and 300. The 300 mm radius circle is done. Now we try to create a test. Enter T. We can write the test and select the size. Select the size. Okay, zoom 22. Now we can do the move command. Enter M. The circle can move now. Do the copy command. Enter CO. The circle can copy now. And the zoom command is EZ. And E. Okay, let's try the rotate function. RO. The line can rotate now. And the mirror function. Enter MI. MI. And try the command TR. This command can cut the set line. And the MA. This function can copy the layer. Let's try. Copy the layer and the color. Thank you very much. See you next time.